an Italian handmade traditional dough container with deep roots in Italian culinary history. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in traditional methods. Many artisan bakers and pizza makers are returning to the Madia for its ability to enhance dough quality and connect them to the heritage of Italian baking. The Madia is used for hand kneading, proofing and storing dough of all kinds. And this Italian Madia is made of Austrian fir wood. This wood is lightweight, and so there's no compromise for me on portability and weight compared to a plastic box. I bought this Madia because I wanted to make dough in the traditional way at home. The wood is free from odours that could stick to the foods it comes in contact with. It's got a large surface area, and so I can make up to 3 kilograms of dough. It's got a flat lid, so it's stackable too. And I love these easy grip handles. They really do make it easier to carry this box around, and they look great. So what are the benefits of using this wooden Madia pizza dough proofing box? It offers several unique benefits compared to standard plastic boxes, particularly for beginners interested in making high quality pizza dough. Wood is porous, and so it absorbs and releases moisture naturally, and this helps regulate the dough's hydration and prevents condensation, which can sometimes make the dough surface sticky in plastic containers. Wood is a great insulator, and it keeps the dough at a stable temperature. This consistency can improve proofing, especially when room temperatures fluctuate. The natural properties of wood create a more breathable environment for the dough. This breathability encourages yeast activity and fermentation, which can enhance the dough's flavour. Using a Madia connects you with your traditional Italian pizza making methods. For beginners, this can be an inspiring and enjoyable part of the learning process. Plus, the Madia's rustic look can add charm to your kitchen setup. The wooden lid on this Madia is tight, but it's not airtight, and so it could allow air to reach the dough and dry out its surface. To address this, you can use a plastic wrap or a reusable film to seal the box. This helps retain moisture and prevents the dough from developing an unwanted dry crust during proofing. Clean the Madia with a damp cloth after use. I just wipe away any excess dough. Don't place the Madia in water, and do not wash it in water either. This is because the wood will absorb the water and make it wet and damp. If this happens by mistake, you will need to dry the wood out completely before it is used again. Try proofing dough in both a Madia and a plastic box to observe the differences in dough quality. I've added my dough that I've already kneaded using the bread maker. It fits really nicely in there, but there's lots of room to proof even more dough in one batch. Once I've proofed this dough for 20 hours, I will either use it or freeze it. By using a Madia, beginners can elevate their pizza making experience and produce dough with exceptional texture and flavour. And I'm looking forward to using mine again and again for all my pizza dough proofing. If you've got any questions, please add them to the comment section below. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.